Yeah, but let me photograph hook.
You know this for us.
Oh, the African chair.
Yeah.
Then, do I go on with
that portion,
Yeah,
that weight of potato, you won't survive 270 plates, Kalo.
Will we be conservative?
Yes, because everybody wants salad. And you must know how they do it, eh? They tell you, brother, this one is not complete, eh?
Do they tell you?
See, ask them, so you see what does. They tell you, I need one for late. Oh, my girlfriend is a cripple. She's far, eh? Give me 2, then I can give to her.
I tell them this is not a Nkanda report. They ask them why is it full here? They say no, it's full. We're gonna use it when the house is on fire. That guy could have thought of something else, not that story. That story was too weak. He's gonna use the food to extinguish this. Come on.
I think you really need to be, how do you call these people? These people that orphanage.
Social work.
No, it's not social work. I mean, then they get money from overseas also. NGO, ne? Yeah, you need to be that.
She needs to start one.
Yeah, she needs to start one.
You know what I would like to start?
We go and help her.
I want to start like a free thing, like an institution where people can come, whoever can, like especially youth. They could come and learn music or whatever. You have like different disciplines. And you run it as an NGO where you don't pay, maybe the money you get, you just pay the teachers and
the teachers, yeah.
Or whether it's a skill or something, that would be nice.
Yeah.
I think that will help this.
Yeah.
To have
because
something.
there is a lot of kids hungry, yeah. They're looking for food. It's a lot.
And it's easy when you're sitting in your comfortable home. Not to.
Give him idea, just cover the chicken. Yeah, you don't think that there's other people.
When you're full and you leave your food there, somebody doesn't have.
Another one.
Yeah, no, when you come in again.
Last year you did it also, ne?
Missed it last year.
Yes. No, and it's Bali more than Manekon and so because hip.
Okay, this is super conservative.
And then when up here, we'll bring closer the meat so that we close.
What is this?
Rice also. That's what I was saying, we must touch with small plates.
Hey, give my baba.
They must give you something to take with.
Yeah.
But you washed your hands.
Yeah, I did.
So.
And then I'm going to dish again rice.
Yeah, but you can cover it so long. So.
Jeez, I would love to go to Angola, you know. It's such a...
In Angola, okay, listen
like
to that,
tropical...
listen to that, ne? We go together, me and you. I am from there, ne? We're looking for a job. We put our CVs. They're going to take you first.
You're kidding.
I swear to God.
But how? Why?
They're going to take you first, number one, because you're a foreigner. Number two, because you speak English.
Oh.
They take you quick. Me, they're going to say, no, we're still looking.
Wow. I would really like, I saw some insert on BBC, it was really nice. They were showing the tourism, it's booming in your country.
The owner of ShopRite, you is freaking rich that guy.
Oh, you got a franchise from here? Must be rich, eh?
He's South African.
ShopRite is owned by South Africans, yeah.
Yeah, but the one that is running Angola is South African.
They probably gave him a franchise or something.
No, it is South African.
Okay.
Yeah, the owner.
Shit, that's nice. Nice business.
How many pieces? One.
I think we start with one, and then we, whatever is left.
One is enough.
One. Okay, Mzu, you know what we're doing now? Sure. Okay, we're going to swap and then give you this.
Okay.
So you can continue that side.
Okay, no problem.
And you
And
pass
then
me the
I
plate.
close these ones. Yeah.
Please.
Okay, let's put
Where's my
let's put this one over there.
And then you stop.
Wow. Do you guys have what do you call? There's an instrument that left Angola, but that instrument is unique. It's universal to all Africans.
Marimba.
The Brazilians call it the Badinbau or something like that, but it's luadi. The Xhosas call it luadi. They play it like this. It's got like a little round thing.
Yeah, marimba. We go marimba.
It's sort of a violin.
So the violin is very small.
Yeah.
Do you know the story of that thing? It travels through like all the coast. You get that instrument. It's an African universal. You can call it a violin or something. But the people from South America stole it. They call it. They got this funny name for it. But it was transported to the Americas by the Angolians, who were slaves, who were captured.
Oh yeah, because there was a lot of slaves.
Yeah, in South America, the Brazilians.
The men
I
of
think it's Zimbabwe now.
black people that was in Brazil, they were slaves.
Yes. Oh, I know so well. That is same as the Jamaicans.
I can't go back to my country because I have too big mouth. Since I'm in South Africa 70 years, I know what is right.
You said there's nothing. That's kind of...
This thing of Zuma. Oh, it was our president. Close by now.
Yeah.
Close. And do you know that Zuma, in Congo and in Angola, his business?
What?
Petro.
These guys.
These guys from the government, they are thieves.
They think we're little kids. I don't mind, but they must just make sure things happen.
It happened, yeah.
Everybody's
Then they can steal.
Then, you know.
Don't make people suffer.
Yeah, that's a good
Icon, you can't close without this one.
Oh, there's another one. I thought we were done. Okay. Oh, the gravy.
Then you need a cup, huh? A small cup.
Yeah.
Cut.